The Wall PythonParts version 4.2.1 update allows you to define the maximum distance to use closed stirrups. Define maximum distance to use closed stirrups, 1500. Besides that, for long closed stirrups, we have the option to define a different shape. Define minimum distance to use a different shape. In this case, a different shape will be created if the distance is between 1000 and 1500. Input the length for them, or tick to automatically calculate, or use lapping length to calculate. Distance less than 1000, create closed stirrups. Distance between 1000 and 1500, create a different shape, 2 open stirrups with lapping 1000. Distance greater than 1500, create open stirrups. For more details, please visit our channel to get to know how to use ALLTO Python parts.